There's reports that your smartphone is 10 times dirtier than a toilet seat. That means when you're doing this or this, it's as if you're having your face on something dirtier than this. But I may have a device that might make you sleep better at night. This is a UV sanitizer with wireless charging for your smartphone or your other electronic devices, and it supposedly sanitizes those devices, and at the same time you can wirelessly charge your smartphone. So we're gonna unbox it and see if it's really worth it. So let's go ahead and get started. So on the packaging, it does say that it's designed for Samsung, but on the back, it does mention that it's Qi wireless charging enabled, so you can use your iOS device or your Android device as long as it has wireless charging built in. Let's go ahead and unbox this. So currently you can find this UV sanitizer with wireless charging for about $50. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. But as soon as we unbox it or remove the lid, we'll see the UV sanitizer on top. And it's a pretty good size. And really you can probably fit any size smartphone inside. It's a little too small for a tablet, but you can definitely fit even the larger smartphones inside. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this. There's nothing left inside the box. That was pretty much it. Close this up and we'll put this to the side. All right, so there we go. This kind of looks like a miniature tanning bed, honestly. But you can see there it says wireless charger, so you can just, put your phone down and it'll charge it up, and you can also sanitize it, take away all that bacteria, because that's the thing with these smartphones. We use them every single day, and there's reports that there's 25,000 bacteria per square inch of your smartphone, which means it's dirtier than a kitchen counter, your dog's food dish, and even a common doorknob. And that's really because we're touching our smartphone. We're using our smartphone so many times per day. So much bacteria, germs just get on it. And it's good to be able to sanitize your smartphone after using it so much. We have some instructions as well on how to use this UV sanitizer and wireless charger. We'll put that to the side, see what else comes inside the box. This looks to be a charger. It is a USB type A to USB type C charging cable. No charging brick inside the box. We're getting kind of used to that now. It's kind of disappointing that it's not inside the box, but hopefully you have a charging brick laying around that you could use with this wireless charger / UV sanitizer. So we'll go ahead and just plug this into the side right here. So the charging port is in the back, as you can see there. We'll plug in this charging cable, and there we go. I have my iPhone XS Max here. This is a large phone, so you can see how it fits inside. We'll go ahead and lay it on the wireless charger, and you can see it's already starting to wirelessly charge it, no issues at all, which is nice. But now, let's go ahead and close this lid. Push the button up front, which is right there. We're gonna go ahead and push that. Push the button, there we go. And it's gonna start sanitizing your smartphone, I think. Let me look at the instructions. Yeah, so that is the sanitation switch. I don't really hear anything, so I'm guessing that it's working. Maybe we can lift the lid and see. I don't know if you're supposed to do that. It turns off. As soon as you open it up, it turns off. And I guess it's good. I mean, I don't think you're gonna notice much difference. These are UV lights sanitizing your smartphone. You probably can't see that it's cleaner, but it's gonna eliminate all the bacteria that's on your smartphone and hopefully keep you safer as well. So in the instructions, it does say that the sanitation only works when the lid is closed. So if you do lift up the lid, it says it's gonna stop, it's gonna turn off the sanitation process, and it also turns off automatically in 10 minutes. It also mentions that you can really sanitize anything that fits inside the box, such as Bluetooth earphones, glasses, toothbrush, jewelry, key. So really, anything that's gonna fit. It doesn't even have to be electronic devices. Anything that you wanna sanitize with this UV light that's built inside, you can just put it in there and it will start working. And it does mention that it kills up to 99% of bacteria within 10 minutes. So it's about a 10-minute process to really sanitize the devices. And as soon as it's done, the light up front, the LED light up front will turn off, and it'll be complete, and your smartphone will finally be clean. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up and see if we can try out something else. So I have some AirPods Pro here. We're gonna go ahead and try it out, see if it wirelessly charges the AirPods Pro. We can see that it's wirelessly charging now. And now let's close the lid and let's sanitize the AirPods. But I thought that this device was pretty cool because it not only sanitizes, but it also wirelessly charges. So I thought that that was pretty nice. You can always just use it as a wireless charger if you just want to have something next to your bed to wirelessly charge your devices. This works that way as well. But at the same time, at the end of each day, you can go and sanitize those different devices as well. So just to give you an idea, this is a Logitech mouse. We'll place it in there. It does not fit, so it's not going to close. You can't start up the sanitation process. The lid needs to be completely closed, so you just need to make sure whatever goes inside is thin enough so that the lid can close. Let's see if it works with a case on, if it wirelessly charges with a case on as well. Yep, works just fine. We'll close the lid and we'll start the sanitation process. Real simple, real easy. Once it's finished, you can even turn it off. You can turn off the button. It'll automatically turn off as well. You can open the lid and just use it as a wireless charger. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos just like this one on tech news, reviews, and opinions, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Let's finish the sanitation process.